my Nature Crafts for Kids workshop series. At Sadhana Forest, over 3 days, I had an exciting journey of creating and exploration where children discovered the wonders of nature through hands-on crafting. My aim was to inspire young minds to connect with the environment while exploring their imagination. Get ready to see 3 days filled with fun, laughter, and plenty of artistic adventures. Okay, ready? Excited? Okay, so today we'll make crown. It's called forest crown. Because we are in forest, we'll make forest crown. Paper fold pannanu. Paper fold.
Once the paper is folded into 3 folds vertically, we need to stick the open end to the bottom. Then comes sticking the leaves to the paper. Pick any leaf and start sticking them next to each other.
Leaves, and you keep sticking them over here. One by one. Any leaf. Take any leaf.
The next step is to punch holes at each end of the paper, then tie a thread through both holes. We are now ready with the crowns to wear around our heads. Both kids and parents loved the workshop and enjoyed wearing the crowns, flaunting them around the festival. People came to me the next day expressing how sad they were to have missed the forest crown workshop after seeing so many kids wearing the crowns. I gathered twigs, leaves from the forest. Next step is to put the leaves together into a bunch and tie them to one end of the twig so we make a natural paintbrush. I helped them tie the leaves together with a cotton thread.
Hold them all. Now we'll take one paper each, and then we can take with this. We can take. Yeah, it's yours. But after painting, it's yours. You have to paint it today, okay?
I also collected some mud from the mud pool to use as paint.
For you, we can add a little water, so it becomes a little loose, like how you paint with the other colors. Okay. So then, what will you paint on the papers? Any idea? Mud pool. You want to do mud pool? Yeah, you can draw mud pool. And any ideas? House. Okay. And house. Animal. Yes, tree. Okay, you can draw anything you want, but you have only one paper. Okay, use it carefully. We should not waste them. Name also. Yes, why not? Draw one side first. Let it dry. Then you can use back side.
They had so many ideas to work with. Let's listen about their art from them.
என்ன இருக்கு? இது எல்லாமே என்ன?
இது ஃபுல்லா தண்ணி.
தண்ணி.
சரியா?
ஓகே.
தண்ணிக்கு அப்புறம் இது வந்து இது இதெல்லாம் பண்ணிப்பாரு.
ஓஹோ, amazing. You like your painting?
Yes.
I love it. It's really good. You keep doing it, okay? திருப்பி பண்ணு இப்படியே வீட்ல. Okay? Okay, very good ra. Okay.
This is the branches.
Branches, really good. You should keep doing it, okay? Keep doing it at home.
Moon.
Okay.
This is plate in that it is fruit. This is table. This is ball. Football.
And
this is tree.
Two trees. Yeah.
This is house.
Wow,
A hut.
amazing.
Small hut.
Just a tree, but
Okay.
then it's not a tree. Like it is a type of a tree. On the top, it's like there's like lotus, a giant one.
Giant lotus
So
on
it's
a
a
tree
big
branch.
flower. Very big.
Amazing. See, that's the creativity you should be with. Because if it is a tree, plain tree, that's everywhere. Everybody can see it. But you are thinking of a lotus on top of it. That's the good idea. So you should think of more ideas like that. and keep painting. Don't stop painting. And you can use mud from anywhere. Just experiment. Just add some colors from home, like turmeric or some other colors like that. You can just add in the mud. It will become more colors. And then you can keep painting. Beetroot, you can add beetroot juice. All those kind of things you can just add. Experiment with that and keep working on this. Okay, great.
Yeah, this is the forest. Like,
Okay,
this is the heart love.
okay.
I wrote like I love Sadhana.
Ah,
And this
okay.
is the mud pool.
Okay.
This is the land where
Okay.
we sit near the mud pool.
Uh-huh.
And this is the heart what I drawed.
Okay.
I just kept a leaf here.
Yeah, yeah.
And this is shaped. These leaves are shaped in heart.
Amazing. This is Sadhana forest now. It's really beautiful. See, you must think like this and keep doing more of these artworks. Don't stop. And what I saw is whatever material you have given, you are using it to the best. That's the good part, and use it nicely and get creative. Keep doing this. Use the mud, use the sticks, use the leaves, flowers. You try anything.
Yeah.
Don't go for chemical ones. Try not to go for chemical ones. Try to do this way.
Yeah.
Yeah? Very good.
Can we
Keep
also
it up.
use like we grind the beetroot and
Yes, yes, yes. In the mud can be your base. In that, you can add these colors. Beetroot is a very good color, and then turmeric is also a good color.
yeah.
Yellow.
Yeah.
So go for
We
these
can,
healthy colors.
Yeah.
Don't go for the bright ones. Bright ones are chemicals.
Yeah.
But these are natural ones. Even if you wash them after using, if you wash the dishes, they're all good for the earth. We should not spoil the earth. That's the whole point. Okay, all the best. என்ன இருக்கீங்க என்ன draw பண்ணுவே sorry yeah.
என்ன வரைஞ்சிருக்கீங்க
You ask
காட்டுங்க
her, no? Let her
என்னென்ன
say.
வரைஞ்சிருக்கீங்க பாப்பாக்கு என்னென்னலாம் வரைஞ்சிருக்கீங்க சொல்லுங்களேன்
சொல்லு
சொல்லுங்க.
என்ன இருக்கீங்க
அழகா இருக்கு என்ன யோசிச்சு வரைஞ்சீங்களா என்ன யோசிச்சு வரைஞ்சீங்க தெரியலையா சரி சரி
ஓகே
நல்லா இருக்கு
ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு
ம்
ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு வீட்ல இப்படியே பண்ணு ஓகே திருப்பி பண்ணணும் வீட்ல
ஏன்
மறந்து கூடாது ஓகே
நான் வீட்ல 2 வாட்டி பண்ணுவேன்.
2 வாட்டி
வச்சுக்கோ.
நிறைய வாட்டி பண்ணணும் 2 வாட்டி இல்ல நிறைய வாட்டி
50 வாட்டி பண்ணுவேன்.
50 100 ஓகே 100 வாட்டி பண்ணு painting with mud. So don't restrict yourself, don't stop yourself. You can try anything. Okay, just take a paper. If you don't have paper, use your walls. You can wash it. Mud will go away. You can wash it. Okay, use it. But before that, ask your parents' permission. Then only you do. But you can do anywhere. Okay, keep trying this and learn more. I like everybody's artwork. This workshop is called Nature Craft. In this, we are going to learn how to make an owl out of all these sticks and cardboard, and then charcoal we have, and then we will make a small owl which you can take it home. Okay, so let's begin. So first, take one cardboard. You can choose anything that might be different shape. So I have a sample of owls which I have already cut as template. You can just trace it on that, trace it, and then we will cut it. It's your mother.
Can I call her too?
Yeah, why not? Mummy, aaja. I thought you were in the session. Come, you sit, join us. If you want to do, you can do. Come. இது owl பண்ற. Okay, you've cut, no? Now we will take sticks. Any stick is fine. We'll just see the size like that and just chop it. So we need to fill everything next to each other. So it can be kept in any shape. This way, that way, any way is fine. You decide how you want to keep. But I prefer keeping it like straight. And different size, you just measure with hand only. It can be a little big, small, all okay. Yes, yes, yes. You can start sticking one by one. Stick them all together. Say trees, okay? Trees. Done. Okay, done. Thank you so much. Okay, who wants this? You? Him? He took it. Okay. Make it at home. Make more of these. Different animals, birds, everything. As my Nature Crafts for Kids workshops come to a close, I hope you have enjoyed this enriching experience as much as we have. Remember, the beauty of nature is all around us, waiting to be discovered and transformed into works of art. Keep exploring, keep creating, and let your imagination take off. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Until next time, stay crafty.